Hi everybody, this is Chef Rohan, and today we're going to make a very easy to do recipe about octopus, grilled octopus. We will grill the octopus on the barbecue, but you maybe know that I'm living in Greece, and since I'm living here, I know that you cannot mess with octopus. So I decided to really study how they do, and before to come to live here in Greece, I was living in Belgium, and I used to grill octopus on my barbecue. I used to boil the octopus for 45 minutes in water. Here, the secret to have a really most tender octopus is to make it low and slow, and the best way to do it is with the sous vide technique. Okay, so it's really easy to do. For the octopus, we will just cook it sous vide in the vacuum bags, okay, with some olive oil, lemon juice, and oregano, fresh oregano, some garlic, salt and pepper, and that's it for 4 hours. Okay, 4 hours at 65 Celsius degrees, which is about 136 Fahrenheit, okay, degrees. 4 hours, and then after that, after the first 3 hours of cooking, we will also cook some asparagus, okay? Okay, so 1 hour for the asparagus is really enough, okay? Just let's check now how I do it. It's really, really simple recipe, but very, very tasty. Okay, let's do it. Okay, oregano. Okay, so for the asparagus, we will peel only until 3 or 4 centimeters. Okay, we try to do that flat, okay, so you don't break. All right, up, we get rid of that. All right, we just keep the asparagus. All right. One or 2 tablespoons olive oil, okay. Juice of the half lemon. For the last hour, I will raise the temperature to 85 Celsius degrees, okay? Okay. So now I can put the asparagus. Alright, so everything is cooked. The barbecue is really hot. So now I will start with the lemons. Now the asparagus. Maybe 30 seconds per side. You can see on the octopus there is a very big reduction, maybe more than half, maybe 60% less meat after cooking. So you need to get at least 2 pounds for 1 pound per person. Okay, frozen. Always bring the octopus frozen, because freezing helps to break the muscle fibers. Okay. Never buy it fresh. Even here in Greece, we buy it frozen. So you see how it caramelized. It's better when the juice is warm, because it prevents to cool your dish, and it caramelized, so it gives a very good taste, and you can even eat the skin of the lemon. So I hope you appreciate this video of the grilled octopus and asparagus cooked sous vide in the sous vide station from Typhur. I put some Greek cheese, Greek yaourt, okay, Hasselback potato, my lemon, some olive oil, just flat parsley, 2 or 3 flat parsley leaves. That's it. It's typically Greek entrance. So I hope you enjoy your meal. Kalliorexi.